Hi, my name is Catherine Smith from Wholistic Financial Solutions. I'm here today just to give you a quick synopsis of who we are and what we do. Firstly, just a little bit about myself. I have a diploma of financial planning, mortgage broking, real estate. I'm also a fellow of the National Tax Agents Association, a public accountant, a tax agent, an SMSF specialist, a wealth coach, and also a member of PIAA and PIPA, and a passionate property investor for over 20 years. So moving on from that, Wholistic Financial Solutions was established by myself over 10 years ago. It was mainly out of my frustration with the whole financial professional advisory field. Let's have a look. Who are the advisors? You have your accountants, and I am an accountant and have been for longer than I care to count. But last time I counted, it was over 20 years. Accountants, we're licensed to do tax returns and accounting and GST and all those wonderfully exciting things, but we give very little advice on property or financial planning matters. In fact, most say do nothing or say nothing. I won't criticise all accountants out there. There are definitely some good ones, but as a whole, they don't give much financial advice. In fact, there's more and more regulation prohibiting them from doing so. The financial planners are a wonderful breed themselves, and I am also a financial planner, so I can say that. They are licensed and are paid for advising on shares and managed funds and superannuation. Funnily enough, many people go to a financial planner expecting a financial plan, something that they can plan their whole financial affairs for the rest of their lives. After they've seen a financial planner, they realise they've just been sold shares and managed funds. Then you've got your mortgage brokers, who are absolutely wonderful. They can definitely help you find the best loan for your circumstances, but they're also not licensed or qualified to advise on property or tax matters or financial planning matters, and they will have to refer you back to the accountants and the financial planners. Real estate agents, they're absolutely wonderful, licensed to sell the property on their list, and that's the best property for you no matter what your circumstances. They're not licensed to advise on anything really. They're not even licensed to advise on whether that property really meets your needs. So one of the biggest, largest financial decisions you can make, and there is no one licensed to advise on such until now. Now there are two new associations, PIAA and PIPA, which are both property industry associations that advisors can belong to and become property advisory members. At this stage it's still unlicensed and unregulated, but at least it's a step in the right direction. So a little bit more about about Wholistic Financial Solutions. We do financial planning, taxation, accounting, mortgage broking, taxation, etc. This is our team here. One of the things I do want to point out is that we're a very local firm, local in Canberra, but we do have interstate clients. We don't have an absolute flash reception area, which I will explain a reason for why. We more tend to focus our time and energy on our clients rather than having a flash office to impress people. So Wholistic Financial Solutions, why use us? We're a one-stop shop. You get everything under one roof. We're a local company with local advice for local investors. We give professional, qualified service so you have peace of mind. The important part there is professional and qualified. There are so many property advisors out there, or calling themselves property advisors, but at the end of the day, they're property salespeople. Ask them what qualifications they have. Ask them which professional industries they belong to. We walk our talk. You'll benefit from our passion for property investing. I'm particularly at the moment recommending certain areas, which I can talk about in my other videos, but I'm actually buying myself in those areas. I do what I advise my clients to do. We develop sound relationships with our clients. You'll enjoy long-term support for us. We're actually here for the future, not just for now. Very trustworthy. We belong to so many different industry bodies and associations. We're bound by very, very strict ethics and standards. And we have very innovative strategies. You'll always be kept up to date. I'm always looking for the next way to make money in different ways. So who do you go to advice? Accountants, tax advisors, tax accountants, business advisors, financial planners, finance advisors, mortgage brokers, property advisors, and even insurance consultants. What if one firm could help you with all areas of advice? And that, in a nutshell, is Wholistic Financial Solutions. One last thing, however, I mentioned that we're not into having a flash reception area and flash offices. Our offices are quite humble for a very good reason. I believe there's far more in this world that's important than the looks and the impressions of the accountants. Often accounting firms will charge you huge fees because they've got a reception area the size of a football field. We're not into that. When we get extra profit that we could otherwise put into a flash office, we send it overseas to recognise charities. The one in particular at the moment that we're supporting is 100% Hope, and these are some of the children that we sponsor on a monthly basis. We also are donating significant amounts of money to actually be part of building a building over there for their school, and this is a brick that they've engaged with our name. We're hoping that a lot of our clients join us on our expedition and help donate money to help build this school. So further on from Holistic Financial Solutions, we also do what is called wealth coaching. It's a new industry. Not many people have heard of it, but what is it? Basically, I don't want you to have to learn the hard way through my mistakes. I have made a lot of mistakes. You don't have to do that. You can learn from them and my knowledge. So what is wealth coaching? You might have heard of life coaching. Life coaching, there's a very good role for life coaches. They help you plan your future and stay on track. But so many times, the things that you want to do involve money. And unless you know a way of building wealth, you're not going to get very far in your plans. So wealth coaching is life coaching, but with a financial bent. Someone to help you design your financial goals, guide you through each financial decision, guide you through every stage of your financial life and hold your hand. Help you stay on track, and there's a lot of paperwork that comes with financial things, and my team can assist with all aspects of the financial paperwork and compliance issues. So if you'd like to know more about wealth coaching, we offer various packages, a wealth breakthrough session and wealth through property session. Visit www.wfscanberra.com.au or email myself at Catherine@wfscanberra.com.au. Thank you very much for your time.